Bitcoin just smashed 100K. It's time for Kraken in 60. Kraken clients can now fund their accounts using Brazilian reals through a new integration with Pix, which makes it easier than ever for Brazilians to access crypto. Brazilian real deposits are automatically converted to US dollars at competitive rates with full transparency and no hidden spreads. With this integration, we're bringing our platform to local users and 24/7 support in Brazilian Portuguese. Makina, a DeFi protocol for on-chain asset management, will soon go live on Inc. mainnet, giving Inc. users access to new yield opportunities and ways to earn on their assets. This has been a partnership long in the making, with many of the Makina team being early Kraken users and fanatics of our culture. Kraken has begun rolling out derivatives trading for professional clients in the UK, giving sophisticated traders a highly capital-efficient trading tool. This is important as derivatives trading represents a growing market for Kraken as more institutional clients begin entering the space. Tomas Perfumo explained Bitcoin's unique profile to the Street's Scott Melker this week. In a wide-ranging interview, Dave discussed the macroeconomic environment and Kraken's positioning in this fast-evolving landscape. This has been Kraken in 60.